Imagine the sweet smell of ripe bananas blended with juicy blueberries, all baked in one moist Southern-style bread. This is the kind of recipe that makes your whole house smell like home. Hey y'all, welcome back to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we'll be baking up my homemade blueberry banana bread. It's soft, buttery, and loaded with fresh blueberries and pecans for a little crunch. This bread is perfect for breakfast, a snack with your coffee, or even a sweet gift for a neighbor. Let's get started. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean. Depending on your oven, you might want to check it at 35 minutes. And there you have it, warm, golden, bursting with flavor, homemade blueberry banana bread. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite bread recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Whether you enjoy it fresh, out of the oven, or save for tomorrow's breakfast, it's a recipe you'll want to make again and again. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today. God bless, and I'll see you next time.